Set it up.
Guidebook does warn about watching slow trucks on that hill.
Yeah, I remember you saying about that now. We just met this lovely gentleman and his lovely wife. Sorry, what was your name?
Larry?
Sorry?
Larry Harrell.
Larry had a Mark II, so he had one in between mine and Jim's.
Come on, babe, take a picture with it. Ready?
Brilliant. Yeah, just watch because we're so short of space. I've got my I put my washing bag down there.
Yeah.
I felt people were welcome to steal that. Oh, what's that? There's a GH ranch there. Ah, yeah. Well, yeah, long. That's the middle of it, isn't it? It's the middle of it, because I was thinking that was the end of the word, but of course it's the long and the start of horn. We just got a little bit off piste here. We found ourselves on a major road. And our book of words, the easy guide, tells us there's a really good road back that way. Some of these junctions are a little bit, you know,
It's going to be a 21-minute drive back that way.
What's that white one?
Over here?
The white, yeah, the white.
That looks like a Ford or something.
Jimmy Bravard. Jimmy Bravard, master driver. My GoPro's doing its own thing.
Alright, well, he says something here. Well, that's down here. Let me lead up here first. Edgewood and Barton to exit 181. Cross I-40 and curve left with Cedillo Road. Avoid the westbound I-40 on ramp.
Ah.
Go 2 miles. Is this West 40 we're getting on?
I wonder if it is.
I think it might be. I mean, we're almost pretty much committed here. We can't
Yeah.
go back there.
We can't turn around,
But,
can we? Yeah, because look, pedestrian both sides prohibited.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is definitely going to be I-40, isn't it? Sorry about that.
That's all right. We can
screwed
probably
up.
get off, but we just have to figure out where we are once we get up here.
Yeah, and where we can turn around. I'm afraid it's closed. Not sure the front door's open. That's definitely open, yeah. Yeah.
Let's just
I mean, I can hold my, I'm trying, but. I'll tell this one. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Well, that's what I thought. Good picture opportunity.
yeah.
We just went into this, what we thought was a bar, for a beer. They wanted ID. I should have taken more notice of this sign here. Look at that. Marijuana. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, they don't do beers apparently. Digs for the night. Our first number 6 motel. Loving the ephemera. Four minutes from Blackies Bar. What more do you want? Of course, I feel like singing whip crack away, whip crack away, whip crack away. Paul Tomaszewski, we are having, well, we've just passed the midpoint of the Great Road, the Mother Road, and we are drinking in your honour, your wonderful, absolutely wonderful bourbon. You might note it's I think it's evaporated a bit because we certainly haven't been drinking it. We're hoping that we can keep enough to have one when we get to Santa Monica to raise another glass to your good health. Anyway, your very good health. And yeah, I'll let Jim pour it and say something. What a wonderful sound. Cheers, Paul. I should say cheers, Paul, and the M&B Rowland Distillery.
Cheers, Paul. Thanks so much for the bourbon for the road. You had that custom too,
That is good.
Delicious. Excellent, Paul. Thank you.